Welcome to Hot Wheels for You.
This is the Hot Wheels for You Hot Wheels Treasure Hunt Giveaway. That's right. In order to promote this channel, we will be giving away a Hot Wheels Treasure Hunt car from our collection every month until they are all gone. We have a bunch of them, so this might take a while. Instead of a treasure hunt car, we have decided to give away a car so hot that it should be a treasure hunt car. It's the 2014 Hot Wheels City LaFerrari in red. This beautiful model is in high demand and will be a perfect addition to anyone's collection. The car is mint, unopened, on a good condition card in a Protect pack for safekeeping. This car will be given away in a random drawing on the Hot Wheels for You YouTube channel on or around September 20th, 2021. Here's what you must do for a chance to win. Subscribe to Hot Wheels for You YouTube. Like this video and leave this comment. I want to win the Hot Wheels for You Treasure Hunt giveaway. That's all you have to do for a chance to win. This is a USA only drawing. The prize must be claimed within 30 days of drawing end or be forfeited for use in future drawings.
Winner! Lane 5!
Good luck! And don't forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell so that you don't miss a single video or giveaway from Hot Wheels for You. Thanks for watching Hot Wheels for You YouTube.